welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this 3D model. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to pick this parametric part template. And I'm using part design workbench. Click on task and then click on create body, then create sketch. Pick XZ plane. Press and hold the middle mouse button to pan the view. Let's draw a rectangle. Type 5 for the thickness and press enter. Then 50 for height, press enter. Right click to exit the command and close the current task. Now click on the pad to create the solid model. Check symmetric to plane option to make the model at center of the 3D space. And type 50 and press enter. Now we will add the holes. Let's pick up the front face and click create sketch. Let's create the sketch from right side view. Click on circle and draw two circles of 4 mm diameter. Pick this tool to make both circles centered. I will project some reference line from the existing solid by using this tool. Let me add some dimensions from the corners. You only need one dimension here, since both circles are constrained. Make sure the sketch is fully constrained. Close the task. Click on hole. Click here and select countersink and change the diameter to 10. Leave other parameters as is. Click OK or press enter. Press and hold the middle button and then press and hold the left mouse button to rotate the view. Click here to add chamfer to the corners. Pick this edge and then pick the other edge. Make sure those edges are selected in this selection window. Type 8 and press enter. Let's add another chamfer at the bottom. Type 4.999999 and click OK. Now click on mirror tool. Click and select the reference plane and pick the bottom face of the model. Click OK. Switch the model and click on the eye icon of the origin to turn on the visibility of the origin. Pick the XZ plane and click here. I will project some reference line from the existing solid by using this tool. Pick these lines for reference. I am going to use polyline to draw the triangle. Let's make the length 25 mm for both lines. And close the window. Turn off the visibility of the origin. Now select the sketch and click on Path to give thickness. Check Symmetric to Plane option to make the model at center of the 3D space and type 5 and press enter. Now the model is complete. If you like my video, please subscribe. I will be adding more videos soon. Thanks for watching. See you soon.